Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
मांडवी न्हंयत घाणीचें उदक व्हांवता म्हणून समाज वावुरपी सिसील रॉड्रिगीसाचो व्हिडिओ सोशल मिडियाचेर व्हायरल गेल्लो. हे विशीं सिसीलाक विचारल्यार ते कितें सांगतात ते आयकात.
जायत्या लोकांक विचारलां हिंगा बाबा कसलें उदीक काय पिवपाचें उदीक या सुयेजाचें कितें तेन्ना सांगलें सुयेजाचें उदीक म्हणून. आनी आतां पासून आमी खूंय रावल्या हिंगा स्टँड येता. स्टँड म्हणल्यार इट्स लायक सुयेजाचें स्मेल येता न्हू तशें. आमची भुरगीं मांडवी रिवर प्रसार करता अँड यू नो दे ट्राय टू डू सम अचिवमेंट प्लस आमचे फिशींग जे कोण लोक आसा फिशींग करता अँड लॉट ऑफ अदर एक्टिविटीज दॅट आर देर. If something like this is really bad and it's left out in the open into the river, it's totally bad for the it's bad for the environment. It's bad even for the fishes into the ocean. 1 month hui air udik pipe futla hui bitor. So right from Tonka, if this is the treated water that is being left, and this has to be looked into and taken care of. Kitle construction येता, कितले building आसा, तेंचे sewage सारखे ट्रीटेड जाता or ते आमचे दोर्यान it's being left. Kindly requesting the government, do not give any construction license till you have your infrastructure in place, otherwise the capital city will be doomed.